Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to see the number of likes on your Instagram carousel posts using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. If you've ever wondered how many people have liked your multi-photo posts while browsing Instagram on your computer, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by launching the official app from your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to head straight to your profile page. This is where all your posts, including carousels, are displayed in a grid format. Now scroll through your posts and find the carousel you want to check. Remember, a carousel is any post with multiple photos or videos that you can swipe through. These usually have a small icon in the top right corner, indicating that there's more than one image or video in the post. Once you've found the carousel post, move your mouse over it. Just hover your cursor on the post, don't click. After a moment, you'll notice the number of likes will appear right on the post. This new update makes it super simple to check engagement without having to open each post individually. If you want to see even more details, you can click on the carousel to open it fully. Here, you'll find the like count below the images, along with comments and other interactions. But for a quick glance, hovering is all you need. That's all there is to it. With this update, keeping track of your carousel likes on Instagram from your PC is faster and easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more tips and tricks for making the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.